Now, for Builderall, so designing a sales funnel, $15, but that's designing a sales funnel, not creating the sales funnel, not even working on the content and the email marketing of it. So from sales funnel alone, you can actually earn as much as $300, even more. Some $1,000 depending on how the funnel is. But then again, for that, I'll just go more in depth on another video. Now, come to think of it, that's just for one tool of the platform. So let's go here. That's just for sales funnels, which is this one. Builderall has, let's count it, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. It has 36 tools for digital marketing. So let's put it this way, just to make things easier. $15 times 36. That's more than, let me go ahead and calculate that real quick. That's almost $1,000. Okay. So let's go with the $25. That's why to be an expert on a platform, you can charge as much as $1,000. And when you're an expert on a platform, you can market each of the features of the platform. Let's say, for example, this one, it has 36 features. You can market each of these features. Other than that, again, you can also be the expert on it. For consultation and all that, you can charge as much as $1,000, just like any other platforms. Now, let's go back here. So what we want to do is, from building a website, let's go back here. So click on build a website. The same, okay. So from here, again, this is simplified. Let's go ahead and proceed with the steps. Step 1, I want to choose a template. Also have the option to choose from a blank template, but for this one, I'll just go ahead and choose one. I want a template for an online course. So let's see what we can find. Actors. So anybody who wants to be an actor, there's a template here for that. For a salon, construction company, or agency, travel agency. So it's all here. So let's say, for example, see what we can find. Let's check this one. I want to view it first so we can check how it looks like. So let's say it's for my product is an online course. So this is for an online course. So you put your logo here, your title. Okay, this looks good. Features, instructors. Okay, so let's go ahead with this one. Just click on edit. From here, we'll be brought to the editor. Just a reminder that again for this, there's no need to learn any technical skills because everything can be done with copy, paste, and as long as you can copy, paste, and save, you're good to go. So logo goes here on the upper left. Everything can be moved, everything can be edited. Welcome to the basic internet marketing program. So let's say I want to put up an agency for an online course. So everything is already here. All you have to do is some editing. You want to edit the headline, the sub headline here. Just double click on it. See? Test demo. Okay. There I can move it. So there's an image here. Featured module. I can put the module title here. Here's the title, featured module, and then details on the module. And then there's a button here to access the modules, and also a video which can be put anywhere. Alright. The titles or the modules here, and then my team, it's all here. Just edit the photos, edit the names, positions, or specializations, contact information down here, social media. There's a button here for subscription, so it's all here. Now, from here, what do you learn? One is copywriting or content writing. Because if you were to put up a website, of course you need to learn to determine what you're going to put on the website. There's actually a tool on Builderall for copywriting, which is, let me show you real quick, this one, script generator, but I'll go through this on another video. What this does is you just input the details of your audience, the demographics of your audience, the age, the gender, the industry or niche they're in, and the system will automatically generate the content for that type of audience. So yes, copywriting, content writing, you don't really have to worry about it because there's a tool. Builderall has a tool for it. And again, I'll just go through this on another video. So let's go back to this one, to editing the website. From here, copywriting. So let's put it here. So from Builderall itself, you can earn as much as $1,000 for being an expert on the platform. And then next skill that you would learn is copywriting. And how much can you earn as a copywriter? Let's go to Fiverr. Double click on the search bar. Copywriting. I offer copywriting. There are 300 words. So copywriting, it actually depends on the words, and you can base the fair rate here. So let's just check this one real quick, see what we can find. So basic 300 words, $75. 600 words, $125. 1,000 words, $175. The thing is, of course, when you create a website, it won't be just 1,000 words. It will be way even more than that. Because websites have different pages. Let's say when they access this module, of course, the content for the module itself, so it will definitely be more than 1,000 words. So you can earn as much as actually $500 or so. Again, it depends on the words. But for building a website, let's put it at $500. $500. Now let's check what else we will learn. Let's go back here. Now, images. Websites, most websites have images. And from images, you will learn graphic design. That is another skill. So we put it here. graphic designer. So you already have 3 freelancing service to market. Now, how much would a graphic designer earn? So let's go back here. Graphic design, either for a logo or whatever the purpose is, but for this one, website, personal dedicated graphic designer. Let's check. I'll finish your graphic design within 48. Just imagine 48 hours, $50. So let's go ahead and check this one. So Smart Pack. Okay, this one doesn't have other gigs or plans for his business, but let's check this one. Okay, so this one, a basic yet elegant artwork for your requirement, $35. Standard, $55. $75. Okay, so basically you can earn as much as $100 because for one, or $200 rather, because when you create a website, it won't be, this is for image, per image, by the way, that we're checking. This is one image only. So one image, $75. How many images does a website have? So let's say for this one, it has one. Okay, one only for this one, but other websites have even more, around 3 to 4 images. So from there, you will already earn around $400 for one page. So let's put that here. As a graphic designer, you can earn as much as, this is based on creating a website, okay? $400. Now let's check what else we need to do to create on a website. So we have the image, the content, it's already there, copywriter for the content, graphic designer for the image, video. So video editor, because you'll be editing a video, even creating a video. So let's see how much you can earn as a video editor. Go to Fiverr. Let's just search for video real quick. See, I will create a professional spokesperson. It depends on the video you need. Upload video to Amazon. Let's check what we can find here. A promotional video. How about this one? This is good. Okay, let's get out of this one. So this is for the video. I will create animated marketing video for your business, for business and sales. So basic package $45, standard $90, premium $175. And take note that this is per video. $45, $95. So let's say $100 for this one. Okay, that's per video. So $100. Let's put it at $100 instead. Video editor. So you have 4 skills already. Before we forget, number 5. If you learned anything from this video, give it a like. And if you think this would help other people, please do share it. And if you want to learn more, just subscribe and click on the bell beside the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. If you have any questions, just comment below or message me on my Facebook page and I'll either answer it for you or even make a video out of it so we can share the knowledge to everybody. Just like that, this video is over and I'll see you on the next one. Let's go!